Python programming language. Type conversion. Since Python is dynamically typed, you may want to convert a value into another type. Python supports a list of functions for the same. This converts the value into an int. Notice how it truncated 0.7 instead of rounding the number off to 4. You can also turn a boolean into an int. However, you cannot turn a string into an int. It throws an error. However, if the string has only numbers, then you can. These convert the values into floats. You can also use e to denote an exponential number. However, this number works even without the float function. These convert the values into strings. You can also convert a list, a tuple, a set, or a dictionary into a string. These convert the values into booleans. The function returns false for empty constructs. None is a keyword in Python that represents an absence of value. These convert the values into lists. However, this raises an error. This converts the value into a tuple. You can try your own combinations. Also try composite functions. Python local and global variables. Another classification of Python variables is based on scope. When you declare a variable in a function, class, or so, it is only visible in that scope. If you call it outside of that scope, you get an undefined error. If you call it outside of that scope, you get an undefined error. Here, the variable xyz is local to function func1. When you declare a variable outside any context or scope, it is visible in the whole program. You can use the global keyword when you want to treat a variable as global in a local scope.